In this video, I'll show you how to get emotes in Roblox. Now first is you want to head over to Roblox, and from in here you want to go to Avatar. Now in here, head over to Animations, hover it, and choose Emotes. Now from in here you can see your own emotes, and you can also see your recommended ones. If you want to get a new one, you can either look at this one, or you can press See All here, or go to the Marketplace. Now once you're on the Marketplace, you can see all of these are the emotes that you can buy for the Robux. You can choose a minimum price here if you wanna, and you can also sort it by lowest to highest. This will show you the lowest, which are the free, and then it will increase in price. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. It's super simple, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.